Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Xiaomi 13 Pro. So at the start open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them for sure in the Google Play Store. I'm always using the EasyFax. So we have to open it. You need to add the permissions to the camera, decide to do you want to get a notification, and add the permissions to the files. Now tap on this little plus and choose source of your document. I will pick something from my gallery. You can also pick more than one, of course. Okay, if you're ready, click import. Now you can add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, go. Now choose the filter for it to make it more visible for your receiver. Decide that you want to turn on the colors for your document. You can also add the signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept. Then type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country from the list. Optional, you can give a small note here. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, just click on this little plus and choose. Just do it like before. But if you want to send only this one, click on this button, buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.